Got a waffle maker and a can of tuna? Stick around, this quick recipe will surprise you in the best way. You'll find all the ingredients listed below the video. Take a peek before we start. Let's start with the base. I'm blending eggs with cottage cheese until smooth and creamy. It takes just a minute, but makes all the difference. Now I'm pouring the mixture into a bowl. It's time for the dry ingredients. Adding coconut flour, a little baking powder, some psyllium husk, salt and pepper. Give it a good stir. The batter should be thick but spreadable. While I'm mixing, I crush some spices in a mortar. The aroma fills the kitchen before they even touch the batter. Mix everything gently with a spatula. It's a small thing, but it keeps the texture light and fluffy. And sometimes in these quiet moments of stirring, I think cooking is a bit like life. Patience always pays off. Heat up your waffle maker and brush it with a bit of olive oil. This helps the waffles crisp up and not stick. Scoop in the batter, close the lid, and let it cook for about 5 minutes. You'll get around 4 waffles from this amount. While the waffles are cooking, I'm chopping up a small onion and mixing it with drained tuna. Next, I'm adding chopped parsley, some dill, and creamy spreadable cheese. It turns into a delicious herby tuna filling. Season with salt, pepper, and any herbs you love. Today I used a little smoked paprika and oregano. Time to build. Layer that creamy filling between 2 crispy waffles. It's like a savory waffle sandwich. Got a favorite twist on this dish? Share it in the comments. And that's it. A quick, satisfying lunch with loads of flavor and protein. If you enjoyed this idea, hit like and subscribe. It means the world and helps me keep sharing cozy food like this.